Hello guys, in this video tutorial of CSS I will brief you about the CSS colors and background color properties. So you can uh, you can find multiple web pages where where you can find a lot of HTML color names. So you can search htmlcolorcodes.com/color names. So these are red category HTML color names, so near to red, and this is the hex code, and this is the RBG code, and this is pink color names, orange color names. So you can find hundreds of different colors. So let us suppose I apply any of the color to particular paragraph and headings. So let's start. So this is the web page I created earlier. So I want to color it. So this is the property of CSS to format the HTML page. So formatting include a lot of things, but here in today's lecture I'll brief you about how to color the text and how to set the background color of this web page. So let's start. This is the HTML code for this web page. So I apply the external I create the external CSS page and mention all the color for all the elements mentioned here, and then link that CSS page to this current HTML page. So let's start. Suppose I create this CSS, I have created this CSS page, and I set the different element color. So suppose I set the heading. So you can see a lot of headings like H1 is here, H2 is here, H3 is here, and paragraph, there are a lot of paragraphs. So I set, for example, H1 color. So I will write H1 and then two brackets and then color of H2. For example, I set color, so I can write any of the color, red, blue, green, traditional colors, but a better option is to set from here. So which color I like, I can easily select from here. So suppose I want this color, so I will copy this code and will come here and will set the color, this one. So all the H1 colors will become magenta. So I will come here to this, and inside the head tag I will create a link. So I will write a link, and then inside link write relate to the style sheet, and then I will give h reference. H reference is equal to app.css. So I will save it, and I have also saved this. So when I come to browser, so you can see the color of H1 heading 1 is changed, but color of these headings are not changed because these are not H1 elements, these are rather H2 and H3. So this is H3, this is H2. So go back to this code. So if I want to change the color of heading 2 and heading 3, for example, this is heading 2 and this is heading 3. So if I come and refresh this browser, so all the heading colors, either it is h1, h2 or h3, all are changed. But for uniqueness, I want to make these h2 as a different color, for example this one. So I will copy it from here and will paste here. And similarly, if I want to make h3 as a different color, so let us suppose this color, so I will paste it here. So I'll refresh the browser so you can see. Okay, h3 are not changed. So if I see, so these are h3. So why h3 are not changed? Okay, I forgot the semicolon, so it will not be correct without semicolon. So if I refresh it, so if I refresh it, yes, these are changed. These are actually green, but if some other color, for example indigo, I set indigo color for the last one. So now you will feel the change. You can see all the heading color are changed. Now if I want to set color for the paragraph, so I will write it here, the paragraph, P for paragraph, and then I will set a color for the paragraph. So I'll try to take some dominant color like orange red. So the paragraph color will be dark orange. If I come and if I run this, so you can see the paragraph colors are changed. So this one does not change because it is not a paragraph, rather it is a list. So if I want to change the list color, so I copy here, I make it list, li for list, and if I want to, if I refresh, so this one also change. This was all about the colors. So what about the background color? Because these are the color set for the text, not for the background. So if I want to change the background of these writing and similarly background of heading, for example, so what will I do? I will modify the existing element. Suppose I want to change the background color of h1, so I will write background. So simply I can write background, but it will be good practice if you write color, because background is a property associated with images, etc. So background color, and I will write background color as a, for example, I see is a pink, so I'll select some color like lemon chiffon, or light golden yellow, for example. Maybe it looks like awkward, but it's just a demonstration, so hope you will never mind it. So you can see the background color is now change. Similarly, if I want to change the background color of this also, so suppose I want to make it same, so I will copy it here. So this color is, I maintain the same color for all the headings. So you can see the background color is also changed. So if I want to make it as a blue, for example, so you can write directly the color name. So now the color is blue, so it looks like better than the last one. This code does not include any button. So laterally, when you add some button, you can also change the color property of the buttons also.